Today, we will explore 5 beautiful facts about our solar system that will leave you in awe at our place in the cosmos. Thank you for watching. Let's begin. Number 5. The mighty sun. Our star, the sun, is so massive that it contains 99.8% of the mass of the entire solar system. That means that all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects in orbit around the sun only make up 0.2% of the total mass of the solar system. To put that into perspective, if the sun were the size of a basketball, the Earth would be about the size of a grain of sand, and the mighty planet Jupiter would be about the size of a marble. The sun is so powerful, in fact, that in just 1 hour, the Earth's atmosphere is hit with enough sunlight to power the electricity needs of every human on Earth for a year. Number 4. One among the many. Our solar system is not alone in the galaxy or the universe. There are billions of other stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way, and many of these stars have their own planets and moons in orbit around them. Some of these planets may even be habitable or host life forms different than anything we have ever seen before. There are also billions of other galaxies in the observable universe, each with their own stars and planets. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we are only just beginning to explore it. Which brings us to number 3, a wild place. The solar system is home to some amazing natural phenomena. For example, Saturn has a hexagonal storm at its north pole that spans about 32,000 kilometers, or roughly 20,000 miles across, and it rotates at a speed of 320 kilometers per hour, or 200 miles per hour. Jupiter has a giant red spot that is a persistent hurricane-like storm that has been raging for centuries, and it is larger than the entire Earth. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect that makes its surface temperature hotter than Mercury's, even though it is farther away from the sun. And Earth has a moon that is just the right size and distance to create total solar eclipses. Our solar system is an amazing display of what's possible in the galaxy and beyond. Let's move on to number 2, a rich history. The solar system is ancient, and it has a rich history of formation and evolution. It is estimated that the solar system formed about 4.5 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust that eventually collapsed under its own gravity. Over time, the material clumped together to form the sun, and eventually the planets, as well as smaller bodies like asteroids and comets. The solar system has also witnessed many cataclysmic events, such as collisions, impacts, volcanic eruptions, and climate changes that have shaped its appearance and diversity. Lastly, we have number 1, our place to explore. The solar system is not only a place of wonder and beauty, but also a place of exploration and discovery. Humans have been fascinated by the solar system for thousands of years, observing its motions and patterns with their eyes and instruments. In the past century, we have sent dozens of spacecraft to explore different parts of the solar system, from Mercury to Pluto and beyond. We've landed on the Moon and Mars, flown by Venus and Jupiter, orbited Saturn and Uranus, visited comets and asteroids, and even reached the outskirts of the solar system with spacecrafts Voyager 1 and 2. We have learned so much about our cosmic neighborhood, but there's still so much more to discover. These are just some of the beautiful facts about our solar system that make it a fascinating place to live and learn. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to show your support with a like, or share it with someone you think may enjoy it. Also, feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks again, and until next time, take care and be well.